Hello everyone, very good evening one and all. Welcome to Wallah and welcome to the session. Today's session is completely going to be practice session on arrays data structures. Since last 9 classes, we were discussing about exclusively array data structure. So the discussion included what is an array, how we insert or delete elements into an array, and what is their time complexity, and lower triangular matrix, upper triangular matrix. What does that mean and how we consider that? And then three-dimensional arrays. And then we have discussed about a stack using an array, pointer as an array, simple queue using an array, circular queue using an array, priority queue using an array, and tree representation as an array. That means all the other data structures we have understood in the form of an array: stack, queue, tree, simple queue, circular queue, priority queue, right? So today we will exclusively practice on this arrays data structures. So before I start, I request the one who is watching it live, please confirm my visibility and audibility. Am I visible and audible clearly or not, dear friends? Am I visible and audible clearly or not? Yes or no? Please confirm my visibility and audibility. All right. So without any delay, guys, let us move into the session and practice questions on this arrays data structure. Here is the first question. Let A be an array containing integer values. The distance of A is defined as the minimum number of elements in A that must be replaced with another integer so that the resulting array is sorted in non-decreasing order, that means in ascending order. Then the distance of the array so and so is what? Hello Raj Sarkar, good evening. Yes, everyone. This is the question we have, and this is a GATE 2024 question. So 2024 GATE question is this. So what would be your answer for this? Distance is defined as minimum number of elements that should be replaced so that the result will be in the non-decreasing order or ascending order. So what would be your answer? What is the distance for this given array? 4, 3, 2, 5 are the options we have. This is what the given array, guys. 2, 5, 3, 1, 4, 2 and 6. Right? Raj? Okay. You feel it is option D, 5. Let's see. So this is the given array. The resultant array is what? the resultant array we are expecting in the ascending order or non-decreasing order. So if you arrange these in the ascending order, we will have 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So if you just observe the resultant array and the given array, we have 4 in the same position, 6 in the same position. 4 and 6 are in the same positions. So we need not to actually do any replacement for them. Right? Now about the other, if you look at, carefully observe, 5 and 2 became 2 and 5. 5, 2 became 2, 5. That means if you can swap this, then 2 comes here, 5 go there, right? So here 2 will be coming, here 5 will be coming, right? Now, and now what we require is 1 should come to 2 place, 1 should come to 2 place, and 3 should go to this place. So what we can do? You may exchange 2, 3 and then 1 and 3, that is one way you can do, or 1 and 2 then 3 and 2. So anything you can do. So I am swapping 1 and 2. So this would be 1, this would be 2. Then let me swap 2 and 3. So this would be 2, this would be 3. So the resultant array we got with how many interchanges? 3 interchanges. This is 1, this is 2 and this is 3. So minimum number of replacements will be 3. Option B is the right answer for this. Hi Nishu, good evening. Yes, Nishu, you are correct. Everybody got this? Everybody got this? Chalo, let's proceed to next question. Consider the following declaration of a two-dimensional array in C, char A of 100 by 100. Assuming that main memory is byte addressable and that the array is stored starting from memory address 0, then the address of A of 40 by 50 is what? 40 by 50. As it is not mentioned row major or column major, what is default? In C language it is given. So C language follow what? Row major order. And indexing starts from not mentioned means default, that is from 0. So what would be your answer for this question, guys? Nishu? 4050, option B. Okay. What about Raj Sarkar and others? Raj Sarkar and others? Come on, quick. We know address of array of I, j in the row major order while indexing starts from 0 is, or the default if we need to take I minus x into number of rows plus j minus y whole multiplied by size of one element, right? So here we know B is equal to base address, I is row index whose address we wanted to find, its row index is I, column index is j, and x is the start row index, y is start column index, r is a total number of rows, I think it is not I into R, it is I into C, right? I into C. And C will be total number of columns. And N will be size of each element. So we are given base address as 0, I is 40, j is 50, x equal to 0, y is equal to 0, number of rows 100, number of columns also 100, and n size of one element, it is character data type, so 1 byte. Now if you substitute all, address of A of 40 by 50 will be 0 plus I, that is 40, minus 0 is however 40, multiplied by total number of columns is 100 plus j is 50 whole multiplied by 1. So this is 4050. Clear? Option B will be the right answer for this, 4050. Right? Next question. Consider the following two C code segments. Y and X are 1 and 2 dimensional arrays of size n and n by n. Y size is n, x size is n by n. Okay. Where n should be between 2 and 10. Assume that in both code segments, elements of y are initialized to 0. This is code segment 1. And I think code segment 2 is missing. Acha, no issue. Let me write code segment 2. I remember that because there is only one change here. So initialize all elements to 0, x of ij to x of I plus j. For I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, y of I plus is equal to x of I0. That is what code segment 2. Oh, no issue, Raj Sarkar, no issue. Yeah. So in both code segments, elements of y are initialized to 0, element of x of ij initialized to I plus j. Now, further assume that when stored in main memory, all elements are in the same main memory frame, that is okay. Now, which of the following statements are correct? Statement 1. Final contents of array Y will be same in both code segments. Statement 2. Elements of array X accessed inside the for loop in code segment 1 are contiguous. Statement 3. Elements of array X accessed in code segment 2 are contiguous. Okay? This is the code segments. These are the code segments. Let us execute, guys. Let us execute. Let n is equal to 3. So, it would be y of 3, x of 3 by 3. Right? So, what I take is y array is this initialized to 0. X array, just for our convenience, I am taking it as matrix. Indexing will be from 0. So, I plus j, we are initializing them to I plus j. 0 plus 0, 0 plus 1, 0 plus 2, 1 plus 0, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 2, 2 plus 0, 2 plus 1, 2 plus 2. Okay, for code segment 1, I am initializing. Now, for I0 to In, so when I is equal to 0, when I is equal to 1, when I is equal to 2, 3 times the loop runs. Y of 0 equal to y of 0 plus x of 0, 0. Y of 0 is 0 plus x of 0 is 0. So, it is 0 plus 0, 0 only. So, y of 0 is 0. Okay. Then, y of 1 is equal to y of 1 plus x of 0i, that is 0, 1. X of 0, 1 is 1 only. Then, y of 2 equal to y of 2 plus x of 0, 2. Y of 2 is 0, x of 0, 2 is 2. So, it is 0 plus 2, 2. So, code segment 1 we have executed. Now, for code segment 2, again let us consider the same initial condition. Y array initialized to 0, X array initialized to I plus j. This is I, this is j, right? This is I for Y. Now, if you execute this, when I is equal to 0, y of 0 equal to y of 0 plus x of 0, 0. That is, y of 0 is 0, x of 0, 0 is also 0, that is 0 plus 0, 0. When I is equal to 1, y of 1 is equal to y of 1 plus x of I0 means 1, 0. What is 1, 0? 1. So, it is 0 plus 1, 1. And when I is equal to 2, y of 2 is equal to y of 2 plus x of 2, 0. What is 2, 0? 2. So, it is 0 plus 2, 2. Code segment 2 also executed. Now, look at the y array in both code segments after executing. It is 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2. So, the final contents of array y will be same in both code segments. This is correct. Next, elements of array x accessed inside code segment 1. In code segment 1, X elements accessed are 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2. They are contiguous, correct? They are contiguous. This is also true. Elements of array X accessed in code segment 2. Code segment 2 are, what are the elements we have accessed? 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0. No, these are contiguous, but it is column wise. Code segment 2 I have written here. Nishu. It was missing, so I have written it, handwritten. Are they contiguous? No. No. So it is wrong. So only S1 and S2 are correct. Option C is the right answer. Option C is the right answer. Got it? Raj, Nishu and all, did you understand this? Please respond. Right. Let's proceed to next question. So this is the next question we have. Consider the following C program. The output of the program above is what? We have fun1, fun2, main, 3 functions. So we have to dry run this code and give what would be the output. Come on. I am giving 1 minute time. Try doing it, guys. Try doing it for yourself. Nishu A. Fun1 is used like call by value. Fun2 is used like call by reference. Okay. What about others? Last 15 seconds time I can give you guys. Hurry up. Chalo, let us do it. Start the execution from main. Char star str1 is equal to high. So str1 is a pointer that points to high. str2 is equal to by. str2 is pointing to by. fun1 of str1 comma str2. So these we are passing as arguments. So S1 will be pointing where str1 is pointing, S2 will be pointing where str2 is pointing. Char star temp, so temp we are taking, let its address is A1, its address is A10. Okay. Now temp is equal to S1. That means S1 is having what? A1. S2 was having A10. So temp is equal to S1 means temp will have A1. S1 equal to S2. S1 will have A10. That means S1 will be pointing now here, and S2 equal to temp. So S2 will be having A1. Are the values changed? No. So return. Now print str1, str2. So they have no change. So it will print hi, bye. Now fun2 of and str1 and str2. Address of str1, address of str2 we are passing. str1 address, str1 let us say it is ax, str2 address let us say ay. So S1 is a double pointer that is holding ax, S2 is a double pointer that is holding ay. Okay, that means A1 is pointing to ax, S1, S2 is pointing to ay. Now char star temp, temp equal to star S1, value at ax, which is value at ax, star S1 is ax, value at ax. What is value at ax? Hello? हाई होगा या ax होगा? Yes, see, value at S1 means ax. Ax is address of str1. High, right. So temp will be pointing to high. Value at S1 is equal to value at S2. So it is getting modified to by, and value at S2 is high. Now when you return str1 and str2, when you print, it will print by high. So high by high, option A will be the right answer. Okay. Next question. What is printed by the following C program? Do it quickly. Hi Kishore. I will also do along with you. Okay. Start the execution from main. We have C star B star star A. C, let's see pointer B, double pointer A. Let C address is A1, B address is A10, A address is A100. C value is 4. B equal to AND C. So B is holding A1. A equal to AND B. A10. Now f of C comma B comma A. So here x will be taking this 4, py will take what? A1, ppz will take what? A10. Let these addresses are some different, like AX, AY, AZ. Okay, but py is pointing to A1, ppz is pointing to A100. Now we have two variables y and z. Star star ppg equal to star star ppg plus 1. So value at A10 is A1, value at A1 is 4 plus 1, 5. Z is equal to value at ppg is 5. So z value will be 5. Star py equal to star py plus 2. Star py means value at A1 will be value at A1 plus 2, that is 7. C is only getting modified. Y is equal to value at py is, that is 7. X is equal to x plus 3. So this x is getting modified to 7. Now return x plus y plus z, that is 7 plus 7 plus 5. 7 plus 7 plus 5 is 19. So this is returned. So here what is printed? 19 gets printed. Option B will be the right answer. Got it? Now next question. What will be the address of the array ARR of 2 by 3 if array is 2D long array of 4 rows and 5 columns and starting address of the array is 2000? Long array, that means one element size is 8 bytes you take. So we want to find out address of array of 2, 3. That is base address is 2000 plus I is 2, number of columns 5 plus j is 3 whole multiplied by 8. This is R, this is C, this is I, this is J, and this is B base address, and N is 8 bytes. So this would be 2000 plus 10 plus 3, 13 into 8. Okay, I think for one element we have to take 4 bytes. Okay, as per this question, fine, let us take 4 bytes. So this would be 2000 plus 52, 2052. Option C will be the right answer. Yeah, I think we have to take 4 bytes as n. Okay, next. What will be the output of the following C code? Void main char a of 10 by 5 equal to hi, hello, fellows. Print A of 2. So what is printed? Fellows, fellow, fellow, fell. It is a simple question only, but still you have to focus and answer. Hurry up. Option C, fellow. See, we are given char array, yeah, row major order only. I have taken n as 4. I have modified size of one element as 4 bytes Ras Sarkar. This is A array. With 10 rows, 5 columns, now as you see the assignment, first this high will be for the first row, hello will be for the second row, but we know this will be filled with backslash O. Fellows will be for the, so the remaining characters are lost. They don't come in the next row, right? Because the assignment is like this. Now, A of 2 means this would be A of 2, that is row number 2. So what will be printed? Fellow will be printed. Fellow, not even fellow. What is printed? Fell will be printed. Yeah. Next. Look at this question. Suppose you are given an array S of 1 to n and a procedure reverse of S of I, j, which reverses the order of elements in between I and j, both inclusive. Okay, both inclusive. What does the following sequence do where 1 less than or equal to k less than or equal to n? Reverse of S of 1 comma k, reverse of S comma k plus 1 comma n, reverse of S of 1 to n. This is 1. Yeah. What would be your answer for this? It rotates S left by K positions. Okay. Leaves S unchanged. Reverses all elements of S, none. Let S array is equal to, let I am taking S of 10. Okay. Let the values be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. It is given start from 1. Okay. Now let I am applying, let K is equal to 5. Let K is equal to 5. So reverse of this S array from 1 to 5, what it is telling, in between I and J, order of elements got reversed. So 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, because of reverse of S comma 1 comma 5. Now reverse of this S comma K plus 1 comma 10. N is 10 I am taking. So what it do, 6 to 10, the order of elements will be reversed. 100, 90, 80, 70, 60. Now reverse of this total array from 1 to 10. S comma 1 comma n. Now all the elements order is reversed. All the elements order is reversed. That means 60 comes here, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Now if you look at this, what happened? The original array was 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, so on to 100, no? This was the original array, yes. And this is the resultant array. So what do you understand? This is initial array. This is the result array. So what do you understand by comparing both? This 10 to 50 got shifted right by how many positions? 5 positions, right? So 10 came here, 20 came here, 30 came here, 40, 50, and this 60 came here, 70, 80, and like this. So it shifted all the array by K positions, where K is 5 I am taking. So yeah, you can say left also. You can say left also, right? So definitely it is option A. It rotated all the elements left by K positions. Like this, if you just bring 60s are coming here, all these are going there. These 5 elements are rotated left. Even you can say rotated right also. That's okay. As per the options, it is rotates S left by K positions. Got it, guys? Everyone? Did you understand? Good. That's all for today, guys. So, since these 10 classes, we were with arrays concept. So, whatever the concepts related to array, as a pointer, as a stack, as a simple queue, as a circular queue, as a priority queue, as a tree. So, we tried to explore these arrays in these dimensions as pointer, as stack, as simple queue, as circular queue, as priority queue, as a tree, and as 3D array, and insertion deletion, right? LTM, UTM, lower triangular matrix, upper triangular matrix, insertion deletion. So, with respect to arrays concept, arrays data structures, we have discussed all this. Nishu, that again you can take example, Nishu, like some 3 by 3 matrix you can take and execute the code. It would be little lengthy, it takes some time, but you will be able to do it. Yes, that will be doing transpose of the given matrix. I think leaves it unchanged, I believe so. I do not remember the answer. Yeah, when you say the question, I got it. Take some example, maybe like 3 by 3 matrix, and do it, definitely you will be getting. इंटरव्यू में पूछता है क्या? डेफिनेटली आपको इंटरव्यू से पहले बेटा आजकल एक कोडिंग टेस्ट होता ना, वो कोडिंग टेस्ट में कोड लिखने के लिए हमको बहुत प्रैक्टिस का ज़रूरत पड़ता. ठीक है, कोडिंग तो आप प्रैक्टिस किया मान लीजिए, कोडिंग टेस्ट थ्रू किया मान लीजिए. लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड इन द इंटरव्यू. यस, definitely about LTM and UTM and about pointer and about you may be asked to write the raw code. No one expect you to write the complete code in the interviews. Just the logic will be asked to write, that 2-3 lines of logic. So definitely whatever we have discussed in these 9 classes excluding today's practice session definitely will be useful for you in your academics, in the GATE exam, in the PSU preparation, as well as in your job interviews. Okay? So guys, in this way, when you pick one topic, try to explore the topic to the maximum extent, then you hit the questions related to that. Definitely you will be confident, you feel confident about that particular topic, you will be comfortable with that topic, then definitely you will be getting good results whatever the exam you are attempting for. Whether it is GATE, whether it is PSU, whether it is interview, whether it is your academic exam, you will be able to explore that in a good manner. Okay? निशु PSU इंटरव्यू के लिए मैथ्स प्लस एनी 3 सब्जेक्ट्स ऑफ यूर चॉइस विच आर इन द गेट. एंड आजकल ये भी एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजीज पे थोड़ा बहुत नॉलेज हो, डेटा साइंस, मशीन लर्निंग, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस में भी थोड़ा बहुत नॉलेज के साथ गए तो इफ एट ऑल यू गो विथ सम नॉलेज of latest technologies along with any 3 subjects that are in the GATE exam or that are in the particular exam syllabus, if let's say in the ISRO whatever the subjects you have along with maths will be common. Mathematical knowledge is essential. Raj, tree is of course non-linear data structure, no? Array is, see, all these 9 classes our focus was only on arrays, not on the other topics, not on the other data structures. Arrays, I am connecting to all these. Okay, I did not pick the stack or tree or graph or linked list or queue. I just picked arrays concept, arrays data structure, that array where you can use, how you can actually implement, how you can look at array in different dimensions. That is what I tried to explore. Got it? Same way you pick one data structure and try to explore it to the maximum extent. Definitely you do good. Okay? Thank you guys. See you in the next session. Hope all these sessions that were conducted were useful, knowledgeable for you. So keep attending the classes, keep learning, keep growing. Thank you so much for attending the classes regularly. Raj Sarkar, Nishu, you both especially, and all the others. Take care. Good night. Bye-bye. Jai Hind.